In this short video, I'm going to talk to you a little bit about tags and how to properly use them in SalesPype. Now, the best way to show you this is to take a look at an example. So let me pull up a contact first in our system. I'll just grab myself as an example. All right. So what is a tag? Essentially all it is, it's something you can add to a contact record that allows you to better differentiate characteristics about that contact. For instance, let's say Jeff was a realtor. I could add a tag that says realtor. Or if he was an insurance agent, I could add a tag that says insurance agent. Maybe I want to keep track of a particular zip code that people live in. I could create a tag based off the zip code. Maybe I want to take a look at the different products that someone has purchased from me. Well, then I could create a tag for every single product that they have with my business. Now, why is this useful? The benefit of tags is this. Let's say later down the road you want to run a list of everyone with a specific tag. You could do so, and then you could market to them. So it really just helps you with your marketing efforts to be able to pinpoint the exact prospect in your system that you're looking for. So let me show you how you actually create a tag. So Jeff Grimm here. Let's say Jeff is a realtor. You'll see the little tag here, and you see a plus sign. I'm going to click that plus sign. And now I'm going to create a tag. And we will say real estate is the tag. And I'm going to go ahead and assign that. And now you'll see that the tag real estate is assigned to Jeff Grimm. Now you can add as many tags as you want. So I could keep going. I could say a zip code. I could come up with any type of tag that I want, really. But once you've added a tag in our system, it's going to save them all in a drop down here for future use. So there we go. We got a tag attached to Jeff Grimm. Now let me show you how you can use this in the future. So let's go back to our contact screen here. Now let's go to our advanced filtering options right here. And you'll see that there are a variety of ways that you can search for contacts in our system. And one of those ways is to search by a tag. So what I'm going to do is select the drop down here. This is the only tag I've created so far in this example. I'm going to search for real estate. And now you'll see it brought up Jeff Grimm because he's the only person in our system that has that tag. But you can see how this would be useful in terms of running lists that you want to market to down the road. So pretty straightforward. I highly recommend using tags in our system. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. But as long as you follow the instructions in this video, you should be good to go. Take care.